Today we will make cardboard wall hanging. For that we will need a square cardboard and some other cardboard that we will cut into a small pieces like this. After that we will take a glue, we will apply glue on the cardboard and we will stick white paper to it. We will apply white paper to small cut cardboard as well. After that we will apply colors as per our choice. I took yellow, orange, red, and pink. You can take any color of your choice. Now we will take lace, cut it into short pieces. I took 5 pieces and I stick that to the cardboard. I used glue here. You can use sellotape, double tape, anything. To hang it on a wall, we will have to apply small piece above as well. After this, I am applying glue on the laces and applying short pieces to it. You can use any color here as well. I took 2 shades of green. After this, for decoration, I am applying small mirrors to each block. Here you can use any decoration item of your choice. Now this is done. I am applying square mirrors to the below blocks to make it look beautiful. This is done. Now I am applying pearl on red squares and pink squares, alternate lines of this block. It's almost done and it's looking pretty. For green, I took golden pearl to make it more beautiful, and it's done as well. This is the final look. Please let me know in the comments how do you like it.